Okay, so today's question is walking robot simulation. So a robot on an infinite XY plane starts at 0, 0 facing north. The robot receives an array of integers commands which represents a sequence of moves that it needs to execute. There are only three possible type of instructions the robot can receive. -2, it will turn left, -1, it will turn right, and if and k will be between 1 and 9, moving forward k means 1 unit at a time. So some of the grid squares are obstacles. The ith obstacle is at grid point obstacle I x comma y. If robot runs into an obstacle, it will stay in its current location on the block adjacent to the obstacle and move on to the next command. So return the maximum square equivalent distance that a robot reaches at any point in its path. That if the distance is 5, return 5. Okay. So let's try to code this. What we will do first, we will create two dictionaries for the left and the right. What if we are at the direction we west and we are asked to rotate left or rotate or go to the right? So let's first create two dictionaries. So left is equal to, suppose we are at the north. So what will be the left of north? We are going, it will be west. Okay. Now suppose we are at the west and we are asked to what is the left of west, so it will be south. Similarly, what if we are at the south and now we are asked to go to the left of the south, so we are moving downwards, left will be east. So similarly, if we are at the east, we have been asked to go to the left, so what will be the left of the east? We are going to the left, east will be the top one, so it will be the north. Similarly, we will get for the right. So suppose we are at the north and we have been asked to go to the right, that's nothing but the east. Now suppose we are at the east and we are asked to go to the right, we are going to right east, the right will be the south. And what if we are at the south and we have been asked to go to the right, so it will be west. And we are at the west and asked to go to the right, so it will be north. Okay, yeah. So as it in the question it has told that we are currently facing north, so we will set the direction to north initially. Direction is equal to north. Okay, and now we will initialize the starting index. So x comma y is nothing but 0 comma 0 starting from the origin. You can say the answer is equal to 0 initially, and yeah, the given obstacles. Okay, so we will convert this into this, first convert the inner elements into the tuple and then converts it into the set, so that we can face is there any obstacle in less time complexity. If we try to face here, it will be around big of n time complexity. So we will convert this obstacle into the set. Obstacle is equal to set map each element under there with the tuple. Okay, and the tuple and nothing but pass the list of obstacles. Zero obstacles. Yeah. Now we will simply go to the command. So for command in commands, for command in command, suppose if cmd is equal to -2, what is required for the -2? Turn left. Okay, so it will be nothing but direction will change. So direction is equal to left of direction. Okay, and elif, suppose command is equal to 1 means we have to turn right. So simply direction is equal to right of direction. Okay, now what else can be the case? That it will be given a positive integer and we have to move that units further. Okay, so we will move one step at a time. So dash in range cmd. Okay, we will move the whatever the command. If it is 4, we will go 4 times. So let's define our new x and new y. So what will be new x and y? Initially set it to x and y. Okay, we haven't moved any step further. Now we will go as per the direction. So if direction is equal to north, so as defined here, if we it north, what will increase? Plus y. Y part will increase of that particular coordinate. So ny plus is equal to 1. What can we with the case? If direction is equal to east. So what in the east will increase? Plus x will increase. So mx plus is equal to 1. Okay. We have not passed the column. And x plus is equal to 1. Now what will be the case? If direction is equal to south. So for south, what is in decreasing? Minus y. So ny minus is equal to 1. Else what can be the case? The direction is west, and for the west, what is in minus the x is decreasing. So nx minus is equal to 1. Now suppose we will check if this value which we have got nx comma ny, is it in the obstacles. If it is in the obstacle, we will have to break out. We can't go further. Okay, so if nx comma ny in obstacles, so what we will do, we have to simply break out. Okay, and if it not the case, we will set the new x comma y is equal to nx comma ny, and yeah, we can take the answer. Answer is equal to max of answer comma x multiplied by x plus y multiplied by y. This will give us the Euclidean distance, and yeah, I think that's all, and we'll have to simply return the answer. So let's try to run and check if this works. Yeah, so test cases has passed. Let's try to submit and check. Yeah, so our code has passed successfully. Thank you for watching.